Hello students, this is Nitin Mohod, and through this video we are going to learn about the interfacing of 8255 with 8051 microcontroller. 8255 IC is a programmable peripheral interface IC which can be programmed for interfacing the devices with 8051 microcontroller. It is basically a 40-pin IC and is a programmable peripheral interface IC. It has three separately accessible 8-bit ports, namely port A, port B and port C, of which the port C is further divided as port upper and port lower, which is of 4-bit each. These three ports, port A, port B and port C, can be programmed as an input or output port dynamically. Due to its handshaking capability, can be easily interfaced with the devices having handshaking signals. 8255 chip can be programmed in any of the four modes by sending a byte to a control register of 8255. So here you can clearly see the 8051 microcontroller which is getting interfaced with 8255, that is programmable peripheral interface, and this is done through IC74LS373 which is shown here. Now we will see the actual connection. So port P0, which is having port pins from P0.0 to P0.7, you can see here, are connected to 8 D inputs of IC74LS373. So these are these connections consisting of 8 D-type tri-state latches or flip-flops used for the demultiplexing of address and data bus. In microcontroller, AD0 to AD7 is the multiplexed address and data bus which is required to be demultiplexed, and that is done with this. For this ALE signal is also used. On demultiplexing data address bus, that is when address and data bus is separated from AD0 to AD7, means then D0 to D7 pins, these pins of 8051 are connected to D0 to D7 pins of 8255. Pin 3.6 and pin 3.7, as you can see, which are the port 3 pins of 8051 are connected to WR pin, that is write bar pin and read bar pin of 8255. ALE pin, that is address latch enable pin of 8051, as you can see here, is connected to a D flip-flop IC74LS373. When any external device wants to communicate with 8051, it is connected through port A, port B or port C. Here we are shown PCL and PCU, that is port C lower and port C upper. This port C lower is of 4-bit and port C upper is of 4-bit, and in total it is a 8-bit port, that is port C. So these are the ports which are responsible for getting the devices interfaced with 8051. So this is how the interfacing of 8255 with 8051 microcontroller is done. I hope the idea about 8255 interfacing with 8051 microcontroller, their interconnections and the other connections which are required and necessary for this interfacing is clear to you. Thank you.